My name is Marco Barotti. I'm an audiovisual artist, and for Horizons, I realized a piece called Pink Borders, which is, as you can see, is an intervention on the fences of La Croix-Morand. It's about 600 meters of painted fences. So you see the wooden poles and the metal wire. Attached there is small silenced bell. They are voiceless. They don't sound unless people touches the wire. All over the world, waves of immigrants are trying to cross borders in searching for a new life. And it's becoming very common, the building of walls and fences to stop this movement. Pink Borders is just a comment on this phenomenon. I found the call last year, and then during this whole year, a lot of things happened. And when the deadline came around, I was in New York, and it was more or less the time right before or right after the US elections. And there was a studio, a Mexican studio called Estudio 31.4 that made somehow a photo montage imagining the wall dividing Mexico and the United States in all its perversion. They took the Luis Barragan pink, which is also the color, more or less, is not the same, of course, but it's inspired by this. And they designed a wall crossing land and seas between Mexico. And inside this wall, there is, of course, already the massive luxury prisons and shopping malls and a stadium. So it's very playful and very America somehow. This is what I liked about making this work somehow. I'm always dealing with technology. I do a lot of sonic and audiovisual work which always needs power, you know. And this is the first time I do a land art piece, and I do a sound piece which is totally silent, actually.